These are our husbands. No. I'm just holding the door. No, in there.
Something going on in here?
Yeah. I'm not sure. It seems like it.
Can I slide by you, big man?
I'm sorry?
I said, can I slide by you?
Go home.
Yeah,
Go
hey,
home. I'm telling you right now.
police, what's going on?
Go home.
Step back.
We're leaving. We're all leaving. We're leaving.
What's going on? What's going on?
No, nothing. We're all leaving.
Okay, you walk over there. I got it.
No, they're not fighting.
Back up. Back up.
They're not fighting.
Listen, we fucking respect.
These guys aren't fighting, sir.
All right, Mario. I got it. Let's go, boss. You're done. No.
Hey, don't touch them.
Don't make this
Don't
worse, bud.
touch. Hey, don't. Oh, wow, big dog here. Hey, you are
Actually a pretty small dog, but
You know what?
don't do something dumb, boss.
Wait.
Give me that other arm.
Let him go, dude. Stop.
No. Excuse us, fellas. Stay where I put you. You're under arrest. Come on, man.
Appreciate it, officer. Come outside, dude. What do you want?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
He's fine. Sorry about that.
It's all right. What's your passport? Let's go.
Your hat.
Sergeant Becker, what are you doing?
You gotta get up.
Stand up.
Wait on my hat.
She's got your head. Stand up. Stand up. Are you resisting?
That's not smart.
On your feet. Stand up. I ain't dragging this dude up these stairs.
Dude, just fucking get up.
We got it. We got him.
Take care, guys. Good luck, all right?
Thank you.
Inside.
Can you give us a moment?
Yeah, sure.
Not you, man.
He looks familiar. We've had him recently.
Oh, don't worry. Oh, you're kidding me now.
Oh.
I'm turning you over so you don't get up.
You're a piece of shit.
Yeah.
I'm getting up. I'm going home.
Oh, you're gonna
Well, you're not going to go home now.
Don't touch me. I'll get up myself.
Okay. It's Austin Dobbins.
No shit, asshole.
That's actually not my name.
Fuck you.
Okay.
I'll be dying a hole. I got it. Stop. My mom's right there. Fuck you. How you doing? You want to help me out? Yeah, these guys are a piece of shit, all right? I got it. Don't touch me.
Your mom is here?
Fuck you.
Okay.
Are you going to stand up, Mr.
Not
Dobbins?
you, asshole. I know you.
Do you need me to ask somebody for help?
No, we're good.
I got it.
Just try not to fight him.
We're waiting.
Now, give me 2 seconds, all right? Don't. Why you gotta be a dick? You're a piece of shit, too. I know you. You guys shoot everyone.
Were those felonies?
I got it. Stop.
Were those felonies?
I
I'm
could.
coming to you, all right? I'm coming to him, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming to you. You're not a dick, all right? All right, thank you. Why did you? I didn't ask for you,
We're
asshole.
going upstairs.
I don't want you. I'm sorry.
Okay, this is. Do you take control?
I don't want you.
All right, walk over.
I know
I'm
you.
up here on the sidewalk.
I don't want you. You're a piece of shit. I'm sorry for you, Jake, but I know you. cops. Don't worry about it. Yeah, they might shoot you. Watch out, bud. I seen this on. Don't mind. Yeah, they're just cops. What are you gonna do? You did a whole bush fire and they take me out. Oh, wow. You guys are pretty cool.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I need. Put it in front of me. I died too. My shoulder's getting low. Oh, I died. Okay. I hope I die in front of you guys. Fuck.
He says he's got some diabetes.
I do. You go, my God.
Why are you doing it?
I'm cold.
You didn't.
My sugar's getting low, so.
Well,
You guys gonna shoot me?
your sugar.
No.
Shoot me. What are you gonna do?
No, we're gonna take you
Why
somewhere
would
and
you
get you
do
some
that?
You ain't
food.
doing shit. Stop. Don't touch me.
You gotta go in the car, Mr.
Nah, I don't even
Bobbins.
trust this guy right here.
Will you go in the car if he puts you in the car?
Take me my cuffs. That's it. I
That's
just-
not happening.
Okay, then I'm just gonna resist.
Please don't resist. All right.
I ain't doing this shit. No. My sugar's fucking
We're
low.
just going.
Listen,
You guys are supposed to be my hometown heroes, and you
we'll
guys want
take
to.
the cuffs off when we get to the station.
It's a
okay?
fucking phone. What are you gonna call my drug dealers? Oh.
Austin, we'll take the cuffs off as soon as we get to the station. As you know, it's like a minute away. Come on, that's not real.
Try it again, bitch. Try it again. I ain't going in there. I'm trying to relax.
Don't resist, Austin.
I ain't going in there.
You are going in there. Okay.
Not my house. Not my house. Ow. Ow.
Watch your head, please, sir. Oh, yep. His head's in the door. I'll charge. There we go. Sit up. Austin. Yep. Thanks, buddy. All right? Oh, yeah, I'm good. I will.